Hi, in this video I'm going to share you how you can start your course business 100% free without any website, Kajabi, Teachable or any kind of LMS. Okay, this is our goal of this video, that we're going to learn how to make a mini course in Notion. We will use Notion and make a mini course. Yes, you can create an account in Notion and you can create a proper doc type note. For example, you are watching this screen, it is also in a Notion page, right? So that's what we can do. You can start selling knowledge without having any tech overwhelming thing. If you are a beginner, if you have not much budget, you can start in this way. Start free, no LMS, no website, no Kajabi, Teachable, or any kind of anything you don't need in the beginning. You can start earning money, and day by day you can invest on different things. Make your first business easy and 100% free. Yes. Disclaimer: you must be a coach, consultant, or maybe any kind of education service provider. You must have a subject matter expertise. You must have some subject knowledge in details. And next thing, you need to sell a mini course in Notion. You cannot sell a premium kind of course. It must be a mini course. It can be between $7 to $49, between that only. You cannot sell more priced course. If you are selling more priced course, more costly course, people might need a kind of LMS or any kind of community or any kind of proper system where they can log in, they can exactly access all the thing. So it must be a mini course which is between $7 to $49. You can build trust with this course, and later you can day by day earn and make a proper course with good technology, good LMS, and you can scale your business. You can turn revenue, this revenue into the complex system. You can make these things, make money and put it in good things. Okay, so this is the thing. You can apply the structure of the mini course in this way. Okay, start planning your mini course. It must be having one problem solution which will give them one transformation. For example, this video is giving you the idea that how you can be a beginner and start your course business without any investment. One problem solution. I'm not telling you every other thing in the industry. So this mini course can solve one single problem. As it is a mini course, it must have 3 to 5 modules and mini wins in every module. For example, first module is introduction, second module is the structure, what are the things they can implement, third module is something else, and the last module can be the outcome, something like this. You can make in your way, but it must be 3 to 5 module, as many as possible. Build the Notion page and create structure, title, lessons, visual workflow, whatever you can add in this thing, just add and make the course more valuable. Embed video, you can embed Loom video or Vimeo video or unlisted YouTube video. You can add any one of these so that they can access video course too. And add resources template, and after that you must include call to action so that they can book a call. You can use calendly or any kind of thing where they can book a call. They can click the button, click the link and book the call with you. You can upsell, upgrade them to different course, and day by day you can use premium things and make automation. But in the starting, this is the best way you can do. Design for user experience. You need to use different fonts, different emojis, different icons, and different color, whatever is needed there, so that user must experience a good thing. You must use toggle, quote, uh, different thing, call out cards, different thing. The fourth step, sell it. Like, you need to share the link and sell it to people. You can turn the Notion page, like you can turn it in a structural page. You can connect it with Gumroad or Square or Stripe or PayPal, or even in future you can connect it with Go High Level, ClickFunnels, whatever you want, and make the thing seamless, so that they are buying the thing and they are redirected to the page, or also they are getting email. And after that, in this page only, you can add book the call, or buy detailed course, buy detailed thing, and in that you can charge them high and put them in higher system. So that is the thing. And here I want to promote my service a little bit, that whenever you are starting, you can start for free and do these things. But in future, you need a good system where everything is in workflow, everything is automated. People are just clicking and purchasing. People are just going to upsell. People are going getting emails. People are getting everything in progress. So that's where we help you to build your proper system for your course, for your coaching, for your consulting, so that it's it is easy. We also help you in high ticket product creation. We help you in high ticket coaching creation. So that's where we help in. I have given a link in the description of the video. You can just go there, click the link and book a call with us. If you are qualified enough, and if you are earning good amount, at least getting 3 to 5 clients per month with this formula, you can upgrade the thing and go to the next step. Let's focus on the video again. How should you deliver it? You can start recording the things, start recording the content, just like I am recording a content, and I will post it on YouTube or any kind of social media. You can also make something like this, record and put it in your Notion page and embed it. You can record with Loom, or you can use OBS Studio, or different recorder you can use, and you can post it on YouTube or Vimeo, and you can post the embed link. Okay, and you can share the link to people and they can access the course, right? Build a proper funnel page after some growth happen. There we help you. In this case, when you are getting more people, you are getting good amount of people, you need a proper community for people where they can interact, they can ask you question, they can talk with people, they can make good connections, they can access the course, all these things. So that's where we help in creating your community, your course access, your sales page, your automation, your checkout, thank you page, delivery, upsell, everything in the course part and consulting part. We help you. You need to upgrade yourself day by day and come to this stage and deliver the best thing to your community. And the final thought here is, frame your minimum valuable the digital product, digital course, earn some money, and use our premium service, so that we can give you the exact process that can help you to make your business easy, simple and seamless. So I have given you the link below. Book the call. And also I have given you the second link, which is the checklist of how you can create the Notion course. I have given in stages that what are the steps you need to follow and the total link of that page, so that you can go through this link, you can understand what is the steps you need to follow, and you can go ahead. The summary I want to do for you is think, build, design, sell, and promote. How? Think about the course, think what is the topic you want to build, then start building, then design the proper page, then start selling, and then promote with content or social media or any way. I am recommending you to book the call whenever you are ready, whenever you are prepared for the thing to make it possible in real life. But before that, you start using Notion for free and create your course. You start selling 3 to 5 people and then come to us. We will help you to build your system that can bring you automatic clients. Okay,